Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Canla Crochet. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet a chain. To start crocheting, these are the tools needed. First, you need your scissors, your needle, your crochet hook, and your stitch marker. These are the other tools needed. So you also need your yarn. Your yarn is very important. And to begin, you check. When you take your yarn to use, you always check. You see, read here, it's indicated the size of the needle you have to use. This yarn, you have to use the size number 5. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a chain. You can either loosen your, start with your thread to crochet from the outside part, or you remove it inside. I will recommend that you use it inside. Reason why, because when you take it from the inner part, your yarn is going to stand still. So I'm going to start this. How to start this? How you are going to put your yarn. You take your needle through, then you put your yarn all over your hand. Then you take it in, as yeah, this is how you are going to continue. You just have to crochet it as long as you want, and always remember not to make it not too loose or not too tight. Reason why, when you want to come back, yeah, needle should be able to go through like this. So this is how you are going to continue till you reach the final size. So this is small hat for you all, to let you know that crochet is very easy. You can do it. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, so that when I post my next tutorial, you'll be able to see. Thank you all for watching, guys.